Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, Hunty. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. I know everybody's wondering what's inside these striped bags, so let's go ahead and get started. The first two items I got was some Tatcha water cream. This is amazing for the skin. It has Japanese wild rose and also Japanese leopard lily in it. Very expensive. I don't remember how much it was. So this is amazing and I'm so excited to use this. I'm hoping it brings some life back into my skin. So it says here that one purchase equals 1 day of school. So it looks like they're donating some of their proceeds to charity, which is amazing. I'm all for that. And we're going to go ahead and open this up. I love the purple inside. Tatcha does not disappoint. This is a very high-end luxury skincare brand. Definitely an investment, but probably worth every penny. So here you get a little scroll. Wow, so there's like a little bedtime story in there. Cute, I'll read that later. And the cherry on top, of course, the Tatcha golden spoon. I will definitely be using this. I'm a germaphobe 100% in every single way. And this smells amazing. It literally smells like fresh water, like coming down a river. Okay, so moving on to the next product that I picked up, I got some Mercier Translucent powder. This speaks for itself. This is iconic. Love this. Used it before. Pick some up. You won't regret it. You'll love it too. Next. Okay, so that's all they put in the small bag. So we're going to move on to the big bag. Okay, so the reason why this bag is so big is because I got this Briogeo horoscope kit. This stuff is amazing. I love it so much, and it's definitely a great deal, big money saver, and I would recommend you to pick one of these up ASAP. So moving on to the last two things that I got. Stilla All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I've heard amazing things about this. When I was in the store, one of the employees told me that this was the best eyeliner ever. So I'm really excited to use this. I need a good eyeliner, so we'll see how this works out. And the last thing that I got from Sephora was a Beauty Blender foundation. I wanted to try out the formula. Supposedly it's really good. And hey, if I'm buying it, I'm going to share the message that the shade range needs to be inclusive for all colors and all skin tones. So I'm not going to promote this. We'll see how this works out. So I also want to include two products that I got at Ulta. And they had a deal, 2 brow products for $30. So I went ahead and got a dip brow pomade. CARMEL Brow Whiz is my go-to everyday thing. 100% ride or die. I've yet to find a similar color to this shade. It just matches my hair so well. And it's a great deal going on Ulta. I don't know if it's still going on. It might be. Keep your eye out for those sales. So that's it for me today. I was just sitting down showing you what I got from Sephora. I got a big exciting bag. I thought I'd show everything and let you know how great these purchases are and how they're gonna last me for a while. You can find all of these products listed in the description box down below. Definitely follow up with me in my future videos. See if I'm using any of these products. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button down below. Click that subscribe button, that notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I upload a new video. Follow me on all my social media platforms at Hunty Hunter. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon.